So guys, we studied list, sets, tuples. Now it's time for the data dictionary. So what is dictionary in Python? For example, I create some variable called y. And this variable I create, for example, exotic. Now it's not comma, it's colon. Colon tech. What does this mean? Why colon? For your understanding, key, colon, value. Like in JavaScript. If you have worked ever on JavaScript, then you know this concept. Okay, so exotic is our key and tech will be our value. Okay, so this is how you define your dictionary, and you access the dictionary using the keys. So how can I access it? For example, I want to print something inside the dictionary. Now to print something, I will use the key exotic. It will return back. So what you understand, in order to print something, you have to print out using the key. I said exotic is my key and tech is the value. I want to print the value using the key exotic, so I call the exotic and I got in the output tech, which is my value. And also with this you can also change, for example, if you don't want a tech, you at some instance you thought, oh okay, I want to define something else, then how you can do that? You can simply copy this statement, paste it here, and you will write, for example, instead of tech you want like science. And okay, so what it will do now, let me print out the exotic again. It should return science. So this statement is returning a tech. Now exotic value has been changed from tech to science, and in output I got exotic science as an output. Okay, so now you understand how dictionaries work in Python. Okay, if you have any question, feel free to put into the comment section below this video, and don't forget to hit like and subscribe my channel. Thank you. In next video I will show you how we can use the classes and how we can deal with the exception, and many more cool stuff is to come yet. Thank you.